What's going on, guys? We got a cool first video today. As you can see, we're out here at the local golf course trying to catch a couple bass. Last time we were out here we got stumped, so today we're hoping to get a couple big ones. Let's get it. This is a great angle. How do I already have one knots? I haven't even casted. Muy bien. This light coming straight into the camera like this is gonna... We need to get some stuff for Texas rig. Weight stoppers or whatever. Ooh. Get in the boat, 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 get in the boat. Nope, still counts. Does still count. My name's Jug, it's not big. Ow. Perfect hook set. Dude, I don't want to get the pliers out for this little tiny fish. Here we go. Little guy. Thanks for biting, dog. Wesley won, Jack none, because you can't figure out how to cast. Yeah, you should have got that on video. I'm gonna work my way down here. Oh, fish on. Just kidding. Decent. So what's the score now? Stop fighting. Come here, bud. Oh, he took my freaking worm. It's a nice fish. Thanks for biting, buddy. Maybe for 5,000 likes. Hit it on the drop. Let's go. Friggin' Florida grass. Come here. Hello, Mr. Duck. Do you know where the bass are? Mr. Duck, where are the bass? Tell me. I need one. Please. Please. Oh, look. Whoa. That was a bass. In the right spot. Dude, I don't know what's going on with these rat's nests today, but it's starting to irritate me. Oh. Oh, the GoPro fell off! No! GoPro committed suicide there. Sorry, I didn't mean to get sand all over you. Oh, super sandy now. Get out of here, boy. Hey Jack, how many fish have you caught? don't even know if I can cast that far now. Oh. Thought I had one. Just the bottom. I have to tighten the camera. Nice shot. Here, Bessie Bass. Oh. Oh, get in the boat. Taking it on drag. Must be a big one. Jack! Look at that. Beautiful. Thanks for biting. Bye, buddy. Professional. Putting the reel face down. Jack, I believe that's 4. 4. Oh! Ow. After I'm close enough. That's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good one. Oh, that's alright. Not the best. Thin little guy. Come here, buddy. Come here. Not bad. Can we cast in the same spot? That's the question. Please don't come tell me I can't fish. Oh my gosh. Damn near perfect cast. Definitely getting a fish. Nice cast. Oh, he spit it. Take it again? No, he got hooked. shit. God damn it. Might have been the bottom actually. Felt like a fish. Oh fuck. Are you kidding me? How did I catch a tree? Yeah. What guy's name? I think I'm gonna order another one. I think if I have to, my grandpa keeps trying to pay me for working with him. I think I'm gonna get the rod that goes with this reel and a the step up from this one. It's like 90 bucks. Cause I mean, that spinning reel I have is, you know, pretty nice. Pretty. Yeah. Huh? Better be for the price. What? You just cast that behind you? Oh, I have a bird feather on mine. I have a bird feather on mine. I already have half battery. My casts are just golden today. That's where the fish are coming from. You can literally hear them. Like, you hear that? Popping on top of the water over there? Oh, I got one. Oh my gosh! I think he's big. I think he's really big. No I'm not. No he's not. Oh, yes he is! Get in the boat! Get in the boat! Get in the boat! Oh. Woo! And I got the Senko back. God, get off. Yes, sir. What'd you call that? Like a 3-pounder? No. Look at him. That thing's fat. Should that go on the Snapchat story? Biting. Yeah, buddy. Jack, we're gonna have a good post.
This is what I get for trying to throw a damn bait casting reel on this tiny ass pond with no weight. Another one what? Yeah.
I think I'm gonna get the rod that goes with the reel and a step up from this one.
Okay.
90 bucks. I mean, that spinning reel I have is
Crappy. Wait, no. Is that the same one I have?
yeah.
That's a nice reel.
Huh?
Yeah, that's a nice reel.
Better be for the price.
Bit it.
Catch that behind you.
No, it got a bite and he didn't stay on. I saw him bite it.
I have a bird feather on mine.
Huh?
I have a bird feather on mine. I already have half battery.
Mother. I'm getting pissy. I'm getting very pissy.
My casts are just golden today. That's where the fish are coming from. You can literally hear them. you hear that?
What?
Popping on top of water?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I got one. Oh my god.
Has he got you in the weeds or is he that big?
I think he's big.
He's in the weeds.
Really big.
You're going around the tree too.
No, I'm not. No, he's not. Oh, yes, he is.
He's okay.
Get in the boat. Get in the boat. Get in the boat.
That's a pretty big one, Wes.
Woo.
Two maybe?
No.
Yeah.
Look at him.
I see him.
Oh, he's fat.
He's a good one.
Should I go on the Sunset story?
Sure. Oh my god. Another bite. They're hitting it at least.
Yeah, buddy. Josh, we're gonna have a good post.
That's weeds. God. On TikTok or YouTube?
Or anywhere.
I'm getting pissy.
I know. It's okay.
I better catch a damn fucking 35-inch redfish.
Tomorrow or Sunday?
Yeah.
I think if we can catch two big fish. I keep hearing those wind chimes. I'm like, the caller is coming.
Oh.
And like at least 4 others. I think we should be good.
If I didn't lose both the last 2 bites, I'd be really happy.
Double fishing. Oh yeah!
It's not big.
Big?
No.
Sit down.
You're not getting off these trebles.
What do you have now? What is that?
Oh, it's not bad actually. Get in here. It's on the crankbait. Not the crankbait, the jerkbait.
Jerkbait?
Jerkbait.
I mean, I hate to be a Senko only fisherman, but
Yeah, I'm doing it the real way.
dude, if I caught 6 fish and we've been here for 30 minutes.
Gracias. I just don't want to get in trouble. Look at my finger. Thank you. Yeah, he needs some. Oh, he's fine. All right. Come here.
Oh,
Here he is. Nice little fish. All right. Okay. All right.
new spot. Stuck with the baitcaster, yeah? That is, did you have one of those stopper things? Oh, jeez. It is gonna be a pretty sunset tonight.
It's not happening, by the way. You son of a... God, now there's... You better watch out.
I hope the camera was on.
Mine was.
That's a good spot.
Where?
Over there.
Oh, I see it. Yeah, yeah.
That and this bank right here.
You know what's crazy?
Huh?
You know what's crazy?
What?
My foot feels a little wet for some reason. Right there?
Rat's nest.
Really?
Oh.
Doesn't look like a rat's nest to me. You just want to cast right where I cast? Oh shit, here we go.
Are you for real? Oh, I have a freaking board.
Ah! Oh, this is a good one too. Get in here. Oh! Ah. Do not jump again. Do not jump again. Do not jump again.
No, the GoPro! Get in the fucking water!
Oh, it's a decent one. Oh, he got hooked bad. Ouch, that hurts. I tore his mouth off.
The GoPro fell in the water, Jack.
It's okay. I got good footage of the bass. Ooh, I hooked him through his head ball. Bro, this is a decent fish.
Come on, Jack, get the hook out.
Boom.
Let's see the release.
If you push me, I swear to Christ, I'll kill you.
I think that's enough. Come on, Jack, get the hook out. Boom. Let's see the release.
If you push me, I swear to Christ, I'll kill you.
Huh? I'm surprised you were loud. Sounds like after dinner is the way to go. Ready? 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 Oh my! That's a big one, Jack. That's a big one. Oh! Oh my God! Ah. Oh, I'll be damned. Ain't no 6. No, I don't think. Look at that! Oh my God! Oh my God! Come here, buddy. Oh, beautiful. That'll rough up your thumb. Ended up catching 11 fish. Pretty good day.
He caught a 5. I caught 2.
I caught like 2 5s.
You caught like, no, you caught like a 3 and a 5.
Yeah, I guess.
Still a damn good day of fishing, though.
Still a good day. Y'all make sure to like and subscribe. You know, leave some comments down below. Let us know what we should do for the next video. I think for the next video, we're going to be going out, trying to catch some big old reds. So y'all stay tuned for that. A couple trout. Yeah, like, share with friends. Let us know what you think.